We have to sign in now?
Okay guys, it's currently the 23rd and we're currently at K1 speed. We're gonna race one lap and see how it goes. Slay. Okay guys, so right? Oh, we're racing with other people. Gonna get copyrighted. Okay guys, we just finished karting at K1 speed. She was loud. No, but she had the highest speed. She didn't hit brakes once, okay? Yeah, I came second last. Not too proud of that.
I came third.
He came third! But then again, he was hitting everything.
Corners.
Tell me how I watch Formula 1 but still can't get that shit right. Yo, I'm gonna get copyrighted! I'm done. Goodbye. Alright, so we're back home now, and we're about to film a cooking video. Yeah. Slay.
Okay, that's just not coming out.
I shouldn't swear as much, I'm so sorry. She's opening the stuff. Slay.
No. Susie, what's your Wi-Fi?
It's Susie's.
And then what's the
That us?
password?
Yep.
Yeah, they love you.
I pay the bills.
What's the password?
It's C9, C9. Just grab my phone, it's somewhere there in my bag.
Girl. Can't find anything. Where's your phone? It's not in here, Susie.
Not there?
No.
Let me grab my phone, hold on.
It's a good mistake.
Sharing.
Oh.
Oh. Sick. Okay.
Get ready to cook, guys.
Yeah, I'll get started on the mixing, yeah? That's
Yeah. You can open that and I'm gonna get the egg.
Heat oven to thing. Mix, shake.
Okay, 2 parts. I think it's 2 parts lychee, 1 part. You know?
I have no idea.
Or just beat vigorously, this is easy. Do you have a cup? Like a measuring cup?
What?
Do you have a measuring cup?
Yeah, I do. Hold on. It's hanging there. It should be. Or how many eggs do we need?
This? This?
The
The
white
white
one. Up, look up.
Oh.
How many eggs do we need, Nick?
1 egg.
1 egg and butter.
Guys, there's a good chance
No
I
butter.
don't have lemon.
2 tablespoons vegetable oil.
Oh, right here.
Wait, we should point it to the. Yeah. POV.
Yeah, get some privacy.
No face, no case.
Yeah, actually.
Can't have the judges.
I only know. Yeah, how do I? Okay, I'm gonna use the scissors.
Okay, slay.
Wait, we're supposed to do this blindfolded, no?
Yeah.
Wait, chill.
We're supposed to.
That's fine. You can open it.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Clear the space. Hold on.
Okay, yeah, let's.
We're making this.
Okay, guys. So I'm the deaf person. She's gonna be
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors for
to see who is the mute person, and whoever loses is
blindfolded.
yeah.
Okay, best of 3 or just one time?
We'll see. If you guys tie the first round, then best out of 3.
Okay.
Okay.
On shoot, okay?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, my
sorry.
You're
God.
blindfolded.
Okay.
He's
Wait, no, he's blindfolded, no?
oh yeah. You're mute. I'm gonna get the tape.
Yo, I don't want to be taped. Do I have to? Yeah. Okay. Or do you have a mask?
Oh, a mask? Yeah. I'll give you a mask.
I like that laugh.
Okay, we're gonna blindfold Nick now.
I guess I'll put on the mask.
Can you turn
now.
this way? Is it covering his eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey! Yo, you're being like, you know when they blindfold you to teach you like how to fight?
Yeah.
Same feeling.
Okay, go.
Okay? Nick's blindfolded.
Okay, what do I do?
I'm deaf.
Okay, I guess we're starting, so I'm gonna try to talk. Me and Susie had to switch because her AirPods or her headphones are dead. Oh my god, that's so fucking loud.
Want me to be the person that's deaf?
Okay, so we just preheated the oven.
Oh.
What?
Wait, so
Why do I have to do it? Nick should crack the egg. Here, Nick.
Why are you talking so loud?
Wait until she puts it.
I feel like this is...
Okay, Nick. The bowl stand right here. The bowl's right here. Yeah. Oh, he did it.
Ngồi đấy, tại sao hết luôn biết ai? Why?
I don't know what he's saying.
You don't like him.
Another one, or that's it, right? That's it. That's it.
We forgot a spoon. Yeah, to mix it. Oh yeah, you can mix it. Okay, yeah, Nick.
What do I do?
I'll put. Water? Are you getting water? I will watch him. There's no. Wait, slow down. There's no water in that. I don't know what you're mixing.
You told me to mix. Why did Susie direct me to this?
I can't hear you.
Susie.
Wait. Okay. What? Why does it smell? Is something burning? That's really weird.
Do you leave plastic inside? I smelled it too.
I don't know. What
do you want me to do? Mix? No? Yes?
Do you have something to measure the water? Oh, it stinks. I think it's just because it's new.
Are you sure you didn't leave any tape inside? Yeah, it's probably just because it's new.
What are you looking for? Is it? What? What? Close it? Timer? What are you talking about?
I think the box says mix vigorously for 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna go crazy. Yes? Yes?
That's 2/3.
Oh, fuck. Yo, it splashed on my... Yo. Is that water? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Should we get another spoon? No, don't let Nick do it.
You want me to do it?
Oh my god.
What do I do? Do I fold? Or is there two?
Nick, so put down the whisk. Nick.
Yeah.
Okay, take a scoop. Yeah. And then yeah, guide him. Let it sit there for a bit. Yeah, just place the spoon there.
Can I only do
Okay, lift your spoon up and put it back in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, then get another scoop. And guide him. And then pour it. Ew, I told him. Okay, great. Back in the bowl. You almost missed. Okay, we need to use all the batter for this. Oh shit.
What in the hell? What did you do? Okay, no. That's enough.
You're fine. Oh my god.
Okay, that's enough.
What?
Your
Where are
turn.
you going? Okay, I'm gonna put it in now, even though it's not ready. Oh, should I wait? Okay. I'll wait until it's done. I don't have it on because I didn't know where we were gonna start.
Hello? Can you help?
Oh my bad, let me put my headphones.
What's it at right now?
What?
What's it at right now? Oh my gosh.
You have
Slay.
mints or something?
Oh my god, it's low battery.
Oh, girl.
Girly.
Got a pop.
We have like 1 minute left. That one's overflowing.
It's done, girly pop.
We're done. We're all done.
Just wait until it... Stop. Wait until my timer goes off because I set a 14 minute and 14 minutes the minimum and then we'll take it out. We have a minute and like something seconds left. Anyways. Okay. We're done. We're not even gonna blindfold. It's been a while. Yeah.
There's no point because the only person that'll be at a disadvantage is the person that's blindfolded.
Yeah.
Are we crossing our own? And that is my problem because...
Fuck, I tried to make it look cute and all.
Guys, she's weak-handed. If she squeezes too hard, a bone will break.
There we go.
Slay. Can you hold while I'm gonna ice another one. Nick's pretty good.
Wow, Nick.
Slay,
Wait, let me
Nikki.
put this back. Sorry.
Move. I'm in a vagina.
Whoa. Why did we thought that was serious?
Slay. Oh, that looked like a star.
I keep making vaginas. I can't make any other
Nick,
shape.
I can't put that on YouTube. Shut that up.
What is that?
It's meant to be a star.
I'm a star. Use up all the whipped cream, guys.
Boom, that's a pretty nice star.
Oh, that's
You wanna
satanic.
make the last one? Here,
Sure.
I took up a few.
Is there?
Wait, let Christina do it, you idiot!
Oh, sorry.
You idiot!
You don't decorate any of them?
No.
Oh my god, I just felt the camera go on top of my head.
Sorry.
Okay, there's still some left in here, so you gotta
Oh
keep
yeah, you see my string?
Redecorate that one. Why'd you put so little on these ones?
You're stingy.
Put some more.
Yeah.
Use all of it.
Put some on that side, please. I'm gonna eat that one. Slay.
Who's taking the...
Maybe some
the
more
fat one?
here.
Yeah,
like
this
a shooting star. A shooting star, if you will.
Girl, I'm giving it my all.
touch mine, Nick. Not with your vagina.
Well, mine are
Not with your
perfectly
vagina
fine.
hands.
Okay,
I
enough.
don't think there's any more.
Taste test.
Wait.
Okay, guys, taste test. Hold on, move.
Hold on.
Okay, wait. I need to put the camera.
Hold on.
Motherfucker.
Hold on.
I can't. Nick.
What?
Okay, get in the frame. Get in the frame. We're all gonna pick one to eat.
I'm gonna pick the one I made
This
first.
is mine.
Wait.
Show yours, guys. Nick, focus like manually. Oh, he's gonna die.
Okay, girl, eat it.
Eat it.
Oh.
You're gonna die in like 5 seconds. Bye, guys. Get in here and wave. Why are you being so rude?
Bye.
I can't do that.
Why?